Hey, what's up? Hope everybody out there is doing great. If you're looking at this, thank you for your viewership. I appreciate this. I'm starting this video out with a open box already. Not too happy about the intro I made earlier. Apparently it didn't record or something happened, but I did a little unboxing and it just didn't record. So I'll just get straight to it. Here is the Cold Steel Luzon, or I think it's pronounced Luzon. And this is just the latest knife I got. I ordered it a day ago from Amazon and it came the very next day. Awesome. Thanks, Amazon. Let's start with the stats. The blade length of this sucker is 6 inches, but it's kind of hard to tell. This thing's not reading it. There it goes. Blade length 6 inches. Overall length 13.5 inches. The steel is 8CR 14 MOV. Not the highest grade stuff. It's cheap Chinese steel, but Cold Steel does a great job with it. The weight is 9.3 ounces. The blade thickness is 3.5 millimeters. And there's a white sticker covering that up right there, but I believe it says that the handles are GFN. I don't feel like tearing that off. Yeah, so unfortunately I don't get to open up the package again because I already did that, but here it is in all its glory. This thing is definitely the definition of a pocket sword. Luzon. Got some fingerprints on the blade already. Let's see if we can get that. Sorry about my lighting, but that says Cold Steel China. Yeah, I know. I mean, it is what it is, people. I really can't see that very well. Sorry, I'm just not going to be able to get that in focus, but oh, right there, China. 8CR 14 MOV. Cold Steel. There's that GSM logo. I apologize for the lighting, it's terrible, I know. But this blade is awesome. It's freaking huge. And there's really no other use for this except for a stabbing knife. This thing is not meant for bushcraft. I may try to use it for some cardboard box cutting at work, but 8CR 14 MOV, my SR1 light, it has the same steel. Doesn't say China, it says Taiwan, but doesn't exactly stay super sharp very long when I start cutting cardboard. So I don't know if I'm going to use this for that. I think this one's just going to stay at home and or maybe stay in my pockets, when I go out as a self-defense weapon. But just look at that blade. That thing is... Let me see if I can get a little bit of... a little bit more size comparison. You know what? Just for fun, why don't I get something else? Hold on. Let's compare this real quick. Got this Luzon over here. Recon 1 clip point. Okay. Getting an idea of how large this knife is. Knife I just talked about, SR1 light. Look at that. Now this is a good hefty blade. This thing just dwarfs it. Look at that. Crazy. Let's try something a little bigger. 4 Max Scout. This is a beast of a knife right here. once again, this thing just, it dwarfs it. Okay. Voyager Tanto serrated blade. Love this knife. This is one of my favorite knives. Huge knife. Look at that. Still bigger. Here is the end right there. Man. Yeah, crazy. So, yeah, no unboxing. It didn't get recorded, unfortunately, but this is my my latest knife, the Luzon from Cold Steel. Has this extra little thing there, extra little safety, but yeah, no unboxing. But this was brand new, and I just thought I'd make a little video about this. So I'll continue with the other parts that I did get recorded. By the way, the price of this thing was, I believe, about $31 advertised on Amazon, something like that, and the total was $34, $35. But this knife is usually between I'll say $29 and $40. That's what this thing is usually around. Pretty good deal, in my opinion. Not the greatest steel, not the greatest materials for the handle, but you know, under 40 bucks. This giant freaking blade, long ass handle. Yeah, I consider this a great value. Oh, one more thing real quick. It has this secondary lock. Flip it open. It has this secondary lock that kind of puts something underneath that. This liner lock to make sure it doesn't slip that way. So that's a nice little extra secondary safety feature. I appreciate that. That's cool. Alright, I'm not going to go crazy. I just wanted to do a quick little demo on the old sacrificial heavy bag. So we got a little tough spot right there. And that seems like it could pose a little resistance. I really don't usually do this stabbing stuff right off the bat with these brand new knives. I just opened it, and it's probably going to dull it really fast, but I just want to see how good this thing penetrates. And I know this isn't like human flesh, but it's a good little, well, really it's just for entertainment, so who cares. Anyway, here we go. Let's just see how good the Cold Steel Luzon penetrates this sacrificial heavy bag, because after all, it's really just a stabber. So let's go. Whoa, holy cow! Oh my god. No resistance whatsoever. Okay. Okay, one more. Here. See how tough that is? That is really compact right there. Let's see. Okay, that didn't go in as far, but jeez. Here. One more. One more just to really drive it home. Okay, there. See? Didn't go all the way through because it's really tough here, but jeez, man. That's a badass stabber. Heck yeah. Oops. Cool. Yeah, that's a great stabber. Cold Steel Luzon. So, in conclusion, the Luzon is a badass stabber knife. Stabber, is that a word? Stabber knife? Yeah, this thing's awesome. Obviously, this is just a first impressions kind of video. Hey, you like my fancy new background there? Anyway, yeah, if this isn't a review or anything because I just got it, it's just a first impressions, first stabbing capability video, and I just wanted to share with you guys and show it off because it's really awesome, and I love these weapons. Thank you, Cold Steel Luzon. Yeah, so another awesome knife by Cold Steel. Little pocket sword. Cool, great. Thanks for watching.